Hi, I would like to show you the best position for you as a mommy of a 4 or 5-year-old. If you'd like to brush their teeth, how could you? I love electric brushes, okay? So I'm going to show you how I would love to brush my kid's tooth with an electric brush. My first suggestion is to ask them to close their mouth, get in there by the cheek, push the cheek away and start. My suggestion is always start at the right side. Start at the right side at the last tooth, okay? And brush each and every single tooth. I'm gonna turn it on and then I'm gonna turn it off. But what I wanna ask you to do is check the last tooth and brush every single tooth at the gum margin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you see that I brush every single tooth at the gum margin like this? Usually what most of the parents do, they just brush like this. And what happens when I see them, I see a lot of plaque here, and that tells me that plaque control needs help. They are brushing their teeth, but the thing is, it's not as efficient. With this technique and with this brush, or any other electric brush that is of your choosing, yes, you can make it work, and you can make the plaque less. So now, start from the right side, ask them to bite. You can also swipe your paste around, and then when you start brushing, brush every tooth, 3 counts, but don't forget that every tooth has 3 surfaces. So once you reach here, change here, 1, 2, 3, and the axis like this, you can see from here to here, here to here, even at the back. And that's why this axis is perfect for parents with fussy little kids, not too young. This is not gonna work with a young kid. It's gonna work with a 5 or 4-year-old that's gonna sit still, and you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna shift. And you're done with this surface, then shift, and it's going to be fast. Because look, if I'm trying to be efficient here, look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now actually this puppy has a lot more teeth than your baby, so that's cool. It's going to take much less time and it's much more efficient. Okay, I love your questions, so don't forget to keep them coming, and tell me what other videos would you like to see to show you how to brush your kids' teeth. Good luck.